What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for watching these videos. But we're on our way to New York City right now. I'm actually on my way to Bavgruppe because I got to pick up a remote controller, and I'm actually running late. They told me I got to be there before 3, and we left Philly at like 12, right? No, we left Philly at 1 o'clock. I'm sorry. So the GPS told me we was gonna get there at 3:30. So we got some time to make up. I'm gonna catch y'all there because we gotta go. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. We just entered New York, right? Ooh, that shit is nice. Show them that. Yeah. But listen, we just entered New York and shit. And I'm here acting like I'm out of towner, bro. I'm here looking all over the place, looking where do I go. I'm all in this man's lane and shit. Y'all see it. Yeah, baby. We made it in New York, right? And now it's saying that we got 36 minutes to get over there. Y'all see that, right? Now, my only ordeal is, right, can I make it? And I know y'all think I'm crazy, but I really think I can make it before 3. Now, the only problem that's gonna fuck me up is traffic. Y'all know how New York is. As soon as I get in New York, I gotta start driving aggressive. Like, I don't know nobody. Bro.
Y'all see this? We can't go nowhere.
Why are you beeping at me, gang? I just got here. Come on. You got it, you know? Like, ooh, y'all hear that? I gotta fix that. My tires keep rubbing. Oh, this is my turn. Sorry.
Excuse me, coming through. Come on. Thank you.
Oh, the boys. Oh, should be good. Ain't paying us no more. I think this is my turn. I keep messing up. Yeah, you are distracting me. Get out my face. Package secure, yes sir. So we just pulled up to Bavgruppe. They're actually on the 2nd floor. It's actually a very small place. We didn't go inside or anything. He literally just walked it down and gave it to us. I spoke to him about some great opportunities we may have in the future. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, we did all of that literally just for this. That literally is. That's all we need. We did all that just for that, yes sir. So now we're about to go get something to eat because we're low-key hungry. And then after we get something to eat, we're gonna pull back up to Philly.
This is a Chipotle chicken sandwich.
And I got a wrap. Look at that. Y'all see that?
This shit, boy,
That shit bust. Woo! So it is the next day. What's up with y'all? We're currently on our way over to Inspire Lights, who is in Montgomeryville, to drop the M off. I think I have all the packages I need. Yeah, I got the packages from Bavgruppe. So the 2 packages that's needed is my welcome lights and also the X controller, the blue and white controller. I don't know if I really explained to you guys what's really going on, but my X on the driver's side of the car, it kind of fell down. Well, both of them, it fell down a little bit. So all he has to do is open up my headlights and re-glue them. And as he's in the process of doing that, we're gonna also add on the welcome lights back. So when I unlock my car, the lights will come on. I've been missing that feature since I did my headlights, and I missed that feature. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So that's dope, and I'm excited for that. I don't know how long it's gonna take him to do this process, but I'm in the process right now of getting the car ready for the Cars and Coffee on the, I think it's on the 12th or maybe on the 18th. I don't remember exactly which day it is, but I'm trying to get the car ready. So diffuser, lip, the headlights, and my wheels. Those are the only things I gotta get right. And for real, it's not much. The diffuser's at the house, the lip is at the house, and then the wheels, I just gotta get some tires for the wheels because the other tires popped. But Denroy over at Inspired Lights, make sure y'all follow him below. I didn't even say that. Follow Inspired Lights because he's the one that did my headlights. We're on the way there. I think we're about 16 minutes away. He definitely told me to get there before 4:30. I don't know. People always is telling me to get to a destination before a certain time, and I always wait last minute to leave the fuck out. Because he told me this at like 11 o'clock this morning, and I could have been left out, but I'm just not leaving out. So That's my problem. But we're gonna get there. It says that we're getting there at 3 o'clock, so we moving, baby. Alright, so we're definitely pulling up now. I just don't know where I'm pulling up to. Let's see if we're at the right spot. The man of the hour. Bro, why you look like you're working in a lab, bro? Well, going. I left both of them in the car for you, bro. I put them on the passenger seat. The top one is the remote, the bottom one is the welcome lights.
Okay.
I don't know how you're gonna do the welcome lights, but I'm sure you got that.
Yeah, it's a little tricky, but
I guess that's... Alright, so we out of here. They already told them everything that's needed. My car is definitely in good hands. Now, I'm not doing nothing crazy. Literally, all I'm doing is just the headlights and the clips on the bottom. It's nothing crazy. But I know it's in good hands. Denver gonna take care of me. He said the car should be ready Friday, if not Monday. But I hope it's Friday. But I do want y'all to understand, tomorrow is Friday. So from here, you guys, the next clip that you're gonna see is me coming to pick the car up. Boom! As y'all can see, we got the car back, yo. Headlights is already done. Damn, what the fuck? Thank you to Inspire Lights. Now, you know, with me and the way life is, nothing is ever done perfectly, or I would say peachy, right? And obviously, there were some complications in this, right? And it's not really complications because it's nothing that's gonna affect the car too bad, you know what I mean? But basically, as y'all can see, my X, they're on the car, and on this side, they're back and they look good. You know what I mean? The only problem is right now they're off. When the X was on before, when the halos came on, the X was automatically on. So they were automatically white and I didn't have to turn them on. I guess with the new setup, I now have to power them on manually via remote. I don't know how I feel about that feature. I guess it's alright. I have the ability to turn it off whenever I need it. And I also have the ability to change it from white to blue, right? If I don't want blue, I could go back to white. Can't be mad at it. So I guess it's alright. Not mad at it. And now I'm gonna show y'all this. Hold on. Stay right there. Don't move. Let me show y'all something crazy. So right now the car is off, all right? I locked the car. As y'all can see, lights are off. Ooh! Literally, guys, I swear to God, this is the only feature I needed. I wanted to be able to get my welcome lights back and they back. They are freaking back, y'all. I'm so hyped. And also, when it's on this mode, I could turn my X's on as well. But once the halos go out, or once the welcome light turns off, the X's go off too, like y'all can see right there. So I'm definitely hyped. Inspire Lights definitely did their thing. Bavgruppe, I appreciate you guys being so patient with me and also giving me the ability to come through on such short notice in order to get the remote. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, yo. Y'all wouldn't believe this shit. Yo, I went this morning to go brush my teeth, and right behind my toothpaste was my old remote. Bro, this shit is crazy. I can't make this shit up. But what else we gonna do? The job is already done. I love the job. If anything, this thing looks freaking dope. I'm capping to y'all. It look exactly the same. I just now have the feature hell with my welcome lights. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I want y'all to do me a huge favor. Go downstairs, smash that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, what are y'all doing, bro? What are y'all doing? Why don't I see y'all on my Instagram, bro? Head over to my Instagram and hit that follow button right now, man. For the next 24 hours, I'm following everybody. Like y'all give a fuck. You don't care. But definitely give me a follow, though. Yeah. Give me a follow. Y'all be safe, though. You hear me? Peace.